Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and review a new app here called Max Cleaner, Phone Cleaner and Antivirus, made by ONE App Ltd. The rating is everyone. It's got 5 million downloads as we can see here. It's got 4.8 stars out of 5, so that means it's rated pretty good. And looks like they're advertising it as a junk cleaner, RAM cleaner, virus cleaner, space cleaner, battery saver, notification cleaner, and an app locker. Let's take a look at the first reviews here. Easy to use. This is the best antivirus cleaner phone booster I have used. It's easy to use. Useful. Wonderful. What else can I say? Easy to manage, effective, and useful utility. Best cleaner app. Too many ads. Somebody's saying too many ads. It's a free app, so we're gonna right away assume that there's gonna be ads in here. Let's go ahead and install it. Alright, now that it's downloaded, let's go ahead and open it. Let's take a look. Alright, we're gonna hit start. It's taking a while. Alright, now it's trying to look for the junk. Doing a scan right now for junk, it seems like. Alright, let's go ahead and tap it to clean and see what it does. That's quite a bit of megabytes it's supposedly freeing up there. Looks like it's stuck there at 432. Alright, so it says it's found quite a bit of junk. So I don't think it's cleaned it yet, it's just finding it right now. So we're going to select the hidden cache junk. So right now, just like any all these apps, you have to go to the actual settings, accessibility settings on your phone, and tell your phone that you allow these apps to use your phone, which is what I'm doing right now, turning it on. Oh, where was I? Let's go back to where we were. Okay. So there's residual junk in there too, I guess. There's app junk, ad junk. No way, there's ads on my phone. Alright, let's go ahead and hit clean and see what it does. It's bringing up a lot of space right here. And I really need the space so I can install more apps. You know, that's the problem we all have is there's too much space on our phone. Sometimes we're trying to install apps and you know what happens. So here's our first ad. So that's our first ad right there. Let's go back. We'll do that later. Alright, we cleaned that. Let's go ahead and go to the boost phone option here. You know what I like about this app? It's really easy to use. The buttons are all just right there. Unlike other ones that I've used that, man, it's really hard to get around. But what I noticed is all the buttons are there. Here's another ad. So it looks like we boosted the phone. It's going a lot faster now. You see how this Max Cleaner app, it just has everything right here. That's easy to use. I like that, guys. I really do. Alright. Now we have a virus cleaner here. Let's see what that does. They might make us get something else, another app or something. No, looks like it's working. In danger, huh? I have to. So there's app privacy and real-time protection. Let's hit resolve all and see what that does. Let's hit OK. There's the AppLocker. Oh, this is the AppLocker. This is to lock your apps from people if somebody was to grab your phone. So let's go ahead and just for demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and block the messaging app. We're gonna hit lock. What you do is you draw your pattern, confirm your pattern. Good thing none of you guys know me personally because I'm actually telling you my pattern here. Alright, Well, some of you do know me personally, but hey, good luck trying to get my phone. So it's gonna ask us now to do another permission. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna give Max Cleaner permission. Got it. All right. Now messaging is blocked. I'm gonna go ahead and try to open up messaging right now, so I can show you guys how that works. So here I am, guys. I try to open up my messaging app, and here it is asking me to type in my my security. Well, to swipe my security pattern in there. So it's working. So what I like about this app is you can lock your apps. Now I'm not gonna go ahead and get in here because my messages will pop up and those are private. But let's go ahead and continue with the features on the app. Okay, let's go ahead and hit up the free space button here. So clean notifications, let's take a look at that feature. I'm gonna hit OK. We have to give it permission here. So with these apps, you have to give them a lot of permission to your phone, man. And there it goes. It's cleaning up everything. 4 notifications hidden. Boom. Got it. And I think it's giving us an ad right now. Alright, so here we go. We're going to hit delete all and boom, notifications are gone. Deleted. Which you can do that through your phone anyway. You know, every phone has a way to do that. Oh, we got an ad. Come on, ads. Alright, now let's go to the rest of the menu here. Let's see what else we can do. Remove ads. How do you remove? Oh, remove ads. That's so you can get the annual subscription. Wow. That's cheap right there for Max Cleaner to remove ads. 99 cents per month. Or wait, annual subscription. Oh, that's if you buy a whole year's worth, and then one monthly subscription is only $2. So for $2 a month, you can take out the ads on this thing. Okay. Let's look at the menu. Let's look at CPU cooler now. Let's look at all the functions on this. Scanning CPU. Extremely heated. I don't know why it's saying it's extremely heated. 147 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think it's that much. I don't think it's that much. It's weird. Alright, let's go ahead and hit cool down. I think it's wrong on the temperature. I don't think it's that much, but hey, let's see. So it's in. Really? Look at this ad that popped up. What the heck is that? Really? Come on, I don't want to see that crap. Alright. Now let's go to the battery saver. So estimated, this phone here gets a lot of battery life. It's the ZTE, so it has excellent battery life. But it says we can extend it 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and hit that button and see what it does. Eight minutes, a whopping 8 minutes extended. Wow. Alright. Here comes another ad. Oh, it's a timed ad too. You have to watch it? Really? Oh, heck no. No, I mean, I'm okay with ads, but this type of level of ads, is these many, that just brought down the review for this app, man. That's too much. Anyway, let's look at Max Boost here. Let's see what that does. Memory killer is found. Let's hit Boost. Let's see what that does. I think it's just closing a bunch of apps that are using a lot of memory. Alright. So that's cool. Game Booster. So if you're going to play games, I think this is what you use. Oh, that one you have to get. That's another app. Alright. That's not inside this app. You have to get another one. Call Assistant. Let's see what that is. That's another app that you can get. Data Thieves is probably another app. Oh, no, it's part of it here. There are no apps burning your data. Oh, okay. This is for the data of your network. So here you'd be able to stop them if you had any of those apps. File scan. Let's see what that does. Whoa, it's going through files like crazy. And there it goes. There it goes. Not taking that long. I was about to pause the video here and resume when it was done, but looks like we can wait here. All right. Safe. All risks are resolved. I don't think you really found anything. And here's another ad. Man, it uses an ad every time you use a feature on this thing. I know it's free and everything, but man. Alright, and that's it, guys. All that's left is just feedback, settings, and about. Let's take a look at the settings, see what that does. Just change the language, the temperature unit, call reminders, block reminder notifications, update virus database. I recommend you guys do this once a week. It's up to date. So ignore list, smart screen, smart charging. What's smart screen for? I wonder I don't know what that is. Smart charging, turned it on. That's what it does. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let's go ahead and review this now. Give us some review. Alright guys, so here we are. So let's see what we're gonna, what happened here. Hold on a second. I was about to review this app and then the app automatically popped up. I hadn't even opened it yet and it popped up on its own. So not only does it shoot out ads at you, it opens up when it wants to. I don't know guys. I was gonna give it a 4 out of 5 because it does really good with locking your apps, cleaning up junk files, and doing all that stuff. But man, the ads were just insane. They're the type of ads that you have to wait for the countdown to go down. And that ad that popped up was a little inappropriate. So that could be bad. So I'm going to give it 3 stars because of that very inappropriate ad that popped up. And it kept popping up ad after ad every time I would do something. I mean, ads I know are what's expected in a free app, but those level of ads, man, no. So I'm going to give it 3 stars out of 5. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be reviewing more apps as they become popular. And I'll see you soon in my next video.